Hi, I'm going to build my very first app using Replit from start to finish. I'm not going to write any code. I'm just going to describe what I want in a plain English. The app idea is very simple. Imagine that you are looking for a job and then you have to enhance your resume so that it will be get shortlisted with the job description when it matches. So I paste my resume and then I'll paste my job description. And then when I click analyze, I should get the report like how much my resume is matching with the job description so that I will come to know okay, if I apply for this job, I may get more chances to get shortlisted and I may get more chances to get calls from the employer, right? So my app is very simple. You just paste your job description, you just paste your resume, and then when I click analyze, it has to give me the report. That's it. And I'm just going to build this live and use it. Let's start. So this is the home page of Replit. So if you just log in or sign up to Replit, you will get to this page. And you have an option to build and describe your idea. I'm just going to describe my requirement, my idea in a plain English, no technical terms, no skill set, nothing required. All I just need to provide is a prompt. So I have a prompt here. Yeah. So create a simple web app where a user can paste their resume text and a job description text. The app should analyze both and show a match percentage, list missing skills, give suggestion to improve the resume for the job. The interface should be clean and easy to use. Now, layout requirements. Two large text boxes side by side, one labeled resume, one labeled job description. A button labeled check match, a result section that displays match percentage, missing skills, suggestions. Behavior. When the user clicks check match, analyze the content and show the result. Use clear bullet points for missing skills and suggestions. Keep everything simple and readable. Do not add unnecessary features. Focus only on resume and job description matching. So, this is a very clean and plain English, and there is no tech stack name used. There is no technology name, nothing, right? So, I just copy this and go back to my Replit window. So, I'll just paste it here. When I just say start chat, Replit's agent, the AI agent, will start building this application. I'll just click start chat. So it says creating app, which is creating application. Now you will get to this window where it says working. It started. Okay. So now I just getting a confirmation from the Replit. Add OpenAI to your app using Replit managed service. No API keys required, charges are billed to your credits. Now, Replit is just showing me a suggestion that can I integrate your app with OpenAI? So, because we are analyzing the resume and the job description, so Replit it just asking us whether can I use AI like OpenAI to analyze it, right? So and you don't, the good part is you don't want to have any API keys required. Generally, if you are planning to integrate any AI to your web application, you just need an API keys. But here the good thing, no API keys required, because Replit internally integrates with OpenAI to do this. I'll just say approve. Yes, let me use AI. Okay, I approve. Okay, so perfect. Now I will create a comprehensive plan for your resume job description matching application. It's creating a plan. Let's wait for it. Okay, so now the plan is there. So it just created a plan. So this is the plan. If you want to change the plan, you can change it. Okay, so get notified when your app is ready. So if you have installed Replit app in your mobile phone, you will be get notified once the app is ready. Okay, so if you want, you can just download the Replit app in your mobile phone and then you can log in. You can even chat with the agent. So even you can do all this build of your application through the mobile app as well. I'll just show you at the last how to do that through mobile phone as well. Yeah. Now, I have created a feature list based on your request. If everything looks good, we can start building. How do you want to continue? Build the entire app 20 plus minutes. Best if you want agent to build out the full functionality of your app. There is another option. Start with the design. 5 to 10 minutes only it will take. Best if you want to see the design prototype first, then integrate on visuals or features. Okay, let me choose the second one first. Okay, and start design. Okay, so once the real chat and the build started, you will be getting this preview. Okay, so you have this preview option, and in the left hand side, you can still chat with the AI agent of Replit. You can make changes. You want something enhancement, you want to add some features, or you want to add some designs. You can say everything in a plain English, right? And then you will be able to see that in the right hand side in the preview window. Okay, the same thing you can do with mobile app as well. And you can see here, so there is one option here next to the publish button. If you click that, you will see the backend, what the code has been written, how many files it is creating to develop this particular app. But it's something like technical part of it. We don't want to jump into it, but you can see what are all the files it is just modifying, what are all the tools it has been installing, right? So it's like kind of a technical terminologies, but we can ignore if you don't want to get into those technical aspects, right? You can just ignore. But I'm just saying, like, the codes, what it is actually writing, everything is there here, right? Let me hide this. Okay, so it's just writing all the codes, backend, front end, everything. You can see the preview is been getting refreshed every time it adds some functionality, it adds some code. So we got the output in the right hand side, okay, the preview window. And in the left hand side in the chat window, if you see, it says worked for 2 minutes, and I got a pop-up. It says like, I have created a visual preview of your app. If everything looks good to you, I can start building the functionality of your app. Okay, so I can just say, yeah, build your functionality. But before that, so still the functionality has not been implemented. Imagine, like, if you check match, see missing information, and that means the functionality has not been implemented. So what I'll do, just click this build functionality, right? Now it started working again. The agent have started working again. Now it is just implementing the functionality. As I told you before, it is integrating the open AI to analyze my resume and job description when I click check match. So that implementation is happening in the backend. Let's wait for it. So it will be keep on refreshing whenever there is a new change that is happening in the backend, right? So that's how it is. And there is one more thing. If you want to see this particular preview in a new tab, you can just click this. You have this option. So it's like pop out, right? If you do this, once the app is ready, if you click this, it will just open in a new tab so that you can able to see your preview in a new tab as well. See, here it says check the whole process works. 1 out of 2. See, here it is actually testing it. You can able to see here. It's like testing the app. That's cool. Yeah. So completed task. So everything is completed now. So what I need a resume, right? So what I'll do, I have a dummy resume for a data engineer. So like I created a dummy resume. So with all the skill set and the experience, education and everything. So let me just copy this and go to my app. Okay, so if you want to get this to a new tab, just click this, right? See, it comes to a new tab. It opens in a new tab, right? So if you don't want to be inside the preview window, you can just open it to a new tab, right? So like now my resume text area, I'll paste this, and I have a job descriptions. Let me just show you. I have a job description. This is a job description of a data engineer job, which I took it from LinkedIn jobs. So let me just copy this. Okay, go back to my app, paste it, and then check. Okay, analyze. Okay, let me come down. 95% of math score, which is really good, right? So missing skill, advanced experience in Airflow tools, which is missing in my skill, but it has been asked as a requirement as part of the job description. Fine. So suggestions to improve. So I do have some suggestions. Now what I'm going to do, so now let me have my resume as same. I'm not going to change, but I'm going to change the job description. So this is the second job description I have. This is again, I have took it from LinkedIn jobs, but this is especially for UI UX developer, right? So we have to check, right, whether it's working or not. It should not show 95% for all the job descriptions, right? So now I'm just giving something an irrelevant job description to the resume. Okay, it's like UI UX. So let me just check match. Okay, so the match score is 10%, which is very poor, right? So what are all the skills are missing in my resume? Figma, Adobe, UI, UX, and all these skills are missing from my resume. And I do have some suggestions as well, right? So this is my app, guys. So my app is working fine, really cool. Now let me go back to the Replit, right? So I just wanted to show you a few more things. There is something called, just let's go to profile. So when you click app, you can see your app here, right? So, and then now let me show you something called integrations. So Replit manage. So Replit gives you a database to store the information. Now imagine that you want to store the information, like people paste their resume and people paste their job description, and you want to store that information. You can do that. Replit provides a database for you. Replit app storage, it stores all your app informations and your app itself. Replit auth, it's like Replit authentication. Imagine that you have to enable login and sign up to your app, right? So Replit provides it with the help of Replit auth. Replit domain. So now you want to buy your own custom domain, and then you have to map this particular app to your domain name. Imagine I want to buy a domain and then integrate that domain with this app, www.resumeanalyzer.com. You can do that. So for doing all this, you don't want to be much more technical person. It's not like that. You can just say all these things in a plain English, but I'm just showing you what are all the integrations available. But there is nothing like something you need a technical knowledge to do this. No, it's not like that. And there are other connectors. Now imagine I'll just show you some of the important connectors that I use, right? So there is something called SenderGrid. So SenderGrid is it's an app. It's an app. So we can send emails to our followers. Like you have a newsletter, you have to send an email to all the people who subscribed your newsletters, right? So, or you have a bunch of emails with you and you want to trigger an email. So now imagine whenever user comes here, right, they are getting their report, but then I just need to add one more button here. When they click it, this report has to send to their email, right? So if I want to do that, I can go for this SenderGrid to enable email integrations to my app. And there is something called Twilio. Twilio is the same. If you want to get SMS or notifications to your WhatsApp, you can use this Twilio connector and you can connect it. So it's all, these connectors are all available with Replit. So you just have to say it in a plain English, do this, and that's it. So it internally connects to these applications via this connector and it will do the work for you. Right. Now, the next thing is, I'll just go back to the app. Okay, let me just go back to the app. There is an option tools and files. Let me click it. And I want to publish this. Once I publish, people can use my app in the internet, right? So just click publishing. And then you have the option here, publish. That's all. See, even after publish, you have some changes to do. You can do it. And again, you have to publish it, republish. There will be an option. So once this app got published, I'll show you that. So we have 4 steps like provision, build, bundle, and promote. See, we are not just building an app. We are hosting our app in Replit itself, right? I'm just hosting. My app runs in Replit, right? So this hosting is what happened now. See, now the URL has been created. So if you see here, my app has got published and your domain name got created. So this is a Replit domain name. You just copy it. I'll just open an incognito window. Okay, so new incognito window. So let me just, my app is ready. Now anyone with this URL in the internet, they can able to access my app, right? So they can use my app. But the thing is, the domain name is something says Replit, right? So because Replit gives you a domain name, and then if you want, you can use it. But again, if you want to have your own custom domain, right? So you have an option here, domains. So you can buy a new domain like www.resumeanalyzer.com, You can buy a new domain and you can integrate this particular app with your custom domain, or you already have a domain, right? So you can connect your domain. And again, okay, now your app is published, and again you are asking few more changes, change the color or add email functionality or add a login page, right? So once you have done that, again what you can do is you can just go back to overview and you can republish. Then only people will able to use your new changes, right? It's so easy and so simple. So this is one idea, and this can be you can convert this as a SaaS product as well, right? So if you are an entrepreneur, you want to convert this as a SaaS product, you can do. Now imagine I can add pro and basic version. So the basic version of my app is free for the user, and I can add a pro version like a subscription model. So whatever I said now, you can just say that in a plain English, implement a subscription model like a basic and pro, and say the limitations. If this limitations crossed, the people has to upgrade themselves to pro and they have to pay for it. And once their subscription ends, they have to come back as a basic member, as a basic to a basic plan. So all this you can just say in a plain English, and Replit agent will implement that for you, right? You can enable login, sign up, subscription model, and you can convert this as a SaaS product, right? So now I'll just show you the same thing how you can do it in mobile phone. Okay, so now let me just open my Replit app. Okay, so this is completely in my mobile app. So where you can see apps, just click the apps, and we can see. So we can see our resume matcher app. Just click that. So when you just click that, it will show you the agent chat which we have done in the desktop. So all these chats are synced across the device that you use. Now you can see the preview option. So if you just click it, you will be getting that preview option, and also you can open that in a browser also. So let me just open that in a browser. Yeah, so the app is getting loaded, and you can see this app is pretty good in even in the mobile view as well, right? So let me just close this and come back, and you can see the publish, the deploy option, right? So you can just click republish if you want to do any changes. So that means whatever we have done in the desktop through the browser in the desktop, you can do the same thing in the Replit app as well. So you can even chat with the agent, you can build, or you can add new features in a plain English, and then you can deploy, republish, right? The preview is also available here. Right. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to show you in the mobile app, how you can do that. Yeah, that's all for the video. The app has been developed and published. That means deployed. Right. So you can find the Replit link, the desktop link and the app link in the description box of this video, where you can click and then you can create an account and you can start implementing your ideas as an app with the plain English prompting with Replit. And thanks for watching. So if you want more such interesting AI videos, please do comment AI so that I can make more such videos in my upcoming video series. Thanks for watching, guys.